Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Got a package in the mail. Let's see what we have. Oh! This is Vadiv, I'm not sure how you say that, Cob work lights, micro USB charging work light, LED work light. There's a better view. Look at that. So the packaging is a little squashed from shipping. Don't know where this all came from. Whoa, there's quite an owner's manual. That's rare these days. Look at that big book comes with that thing. Every language on the planet. Oh, this is sort of cool. This is interesting. I can see me using this all over the place if it's going to work out. Oh, look at that. Replaceable 18650s. I like it. I like that. 18650s. They're no names, so they're blank. Oh, I love anything that comes with these. That means it's going to keep on going. A lot of products have them built in, and then if the batteries go bad, you're done. This is removable. I like that. Look at that. That's my first impression right there, out of the box. What do we got here? Oh, look, we have a USB charging port and a USB output port, so you can charge your devices off this as well. Interesting. That looks like the battery indicator. Let me see, I'm not going to look at it. Let me see. Oh, there's your battery indicator. High, medium. Whoa! Nice. Wow, that's bright. Do you see that? Police colors. So let me see, try it again. There's like a, I think that's a high, low, Cob light, big round. There's a center and an outside ring. The outside ring is bright, and then a police siren or a police light. So you got one, two, three, four functions. This is really cool. It's convenient, handheld, stands up. That is really neat. A variety of lighting modes. Car maintenance, warning lights, signal light, camping or walking at night, and other activities. Red and blue flashing warning indicator. I don't know if that's legal here in America, but it'll certainly get people's attention. So, I gotta check out the specs. I'll be back in a minute. I'm curious what the lumens output on that is, but that's, let me hide my face from it. I'm not sure what's the brighter. I'm going to have to play around with that at night. The camera, of course, dims it. So we'll be back in a minute. I got to check these specs. Should also mention there's the USB charging cable and this new standard with the long nose on the end of the cable. That seems to be the new standard because I'm seeing these in everything I get now with that longer nose on the cable. So we have here, I'll let you look at it while I talk, we have the high is 300 lumens and it'll run 4 hours on high. And we have the low is 100 lumens and it'll run 8 hours on that. And I guess that's the Cob light in the middle. So there's 300 lumens and 100 lumens, lasts between 4 and 8 hours. And then there's the LED light, that must be the outer light, is the LED light. Let me see. So that's bright though, seriously, that's 200 lumens. And that'll last 6 hours. So that's really impressive there. I sort of like that more, funny enough. That lasts 6 hours, and then the red and blue flashing, they haven't timed it. And it takes 2 to 4 hours to charge it up. Then, of course, you can put bigger 18650s in it, which is amazing. I do like that fact. You can put larger 18650s in there, that they're replaceable, and you can upgrade it. So that's good. These are probably the lower end of the spectrum, because I don't know, the labels are not on there and they don't say in the book what you get, but I'm guessing they're the lower end of the spectrum. I'm betting you put some high quality batteries in there and you can almost double the runtime on that. Well guys, thanks for watching. I'll put the links down in the video description and the comments below, and you can go ahead and grab one of these right away or wait until the final review if you choose. But I'm going to be taking this out in the field, outdoors. It does have a semi water resistant cover. I won't trust to leave it in the rain itself, but it does have a cover. Charging, well, I don't think it's water resistance, it's just a cover. But yeah, I won't be taking it out in the rain, but I'm sure it should be a little moisture resistant in a light mist. But we'll be taking this around and put it through the works in the next few days here. I'm going to use it as an actual night light in the house upstairs at night and see for the actual reading lamp and actual main light, and then take it out. We'll put it through the works. We'll see what we can do. So stay tuned for that. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Please like, subscribe, and share. Follow our videos and stay tuned for updates on this really cool looking product. And hit that bell icon and get notifications. Talk to you later.